Imagine someone wants to be a software developer from a basic or junior level to being ready for work in a company. That's exactly what we achieved in the last 5 months. Hi everyone, my name is Michael Andish. I'm a software engineer and the founder of Viprodev. Last time, I gave you a sneak peek at the project built by our bootcamp graduates. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you exactly how we transform 9 aspiring developers into a team of 5 skilled and job ready in the last 5 months. This will help those who want to start their journey and also provide insights for mentors and leaders on how manage their teams. Because it's not just about hard skills, it's about building a lifestyle and developing useful habits to make it happen. I will walk you through the below topics: mindset and lifestyle, mastering the fundamental, building real-world projects, teamwork and soft skills, key takeaway that I learned, and finally, embracing AI as a revolution, as we heard a lot. This bootcamp was more than just coding and programming. It was about transforming mindset, embracing teamwork, mastering fundamental, applying knowledge to a real-world project, and finally integrating AI as a powerful tool. First of all, let me share some key takeaways that I learned. Growth is a journey, not a goal. Weekly and daily reflection help us to stay on track, embrace changes, and see that as an opportunity. I will discuss all key takeaways later in details, but first, let me introduce the participants and their project. Let's start with Ahmad. He started with elementary front-end knowledge and grew into one of the most skilled developers.
I'm Ahmed Hamedi. I'm 18 years old. I'm a front-end developer from Iran. I'm here at WeProDev Bootcamp to improve my programming skills, and I want to become a React mid-level developer.
Sadi joined with basic front-end skills and significantly improved.
My name is Zadi Karimi. I'm 16 years old from Iran. I'm front-end developer. I'm excited to be part of ViproDev Bootcamp to learn more and improve my skills.
Ashkan also came in with basic front-end knowledge and progressed well.
My name is Ashkan. I'm 17 years old and I recently joined the Reproductive Bootcamp to improve my skills in JavaScript, TypeScript, and React. I'm super excited to be part of this amazing community and I can't wait to grow and learn.
Majid had some experience in front-end and back-end, and he focused on teamwork and JavaScript fundamentals.
I'm Abdulmajid Shahbakhsh, a front-end developer. I joined this bootcamp to enhance my skills in React, TypeScript, Scrum, teamwork, and programming concepts. My goal is to deepen my understanding and effectively apply these technologies in real-world projects.
And Parsa started from the scratch and built a strong foundation in programming, especially Python.
I'm Partial Surush. I'm 30 years old. I'm from Iran and I live in Urmia. My goals in this bootcamp is fast API, Python, and learning some programming concepts.
Now, let's dive into the detail which will be useful for those who want to follow the similar process through self-study. We kicked off with intensive onboarding phase. The first 2 days were packed with meetings, planning, and setting expectations. We introduced them a tools like Jira, teamwork strategy, and the importance of clear communication, which is part of soft skills. You can check out our WebProduct Academy repository where all details are documented. In the beginning, they set up their environment and installed essential tools and learned how to use them. They established personalized routines with non-negotiable habits, regular exercise, readings, books with positive mindsets, focused work session. So all of these non-negotiable habits help them to make new positive habits. So the goal was to build not just programmers, but just problem solvers with discipline to grow. Physical and mental health go hand in hand, so participants committed to exercising at least 3 times a week. We also emphasize daily reading and epic hours of deep work, which is essential to grow. The first month was all about onboarding, learning from mistakes, adjusting to workflow, and understanding responsibilities. We took commitments seriously. If someone constantly failed to meet expectations, as we discussed in the beginning of the bootcamps, we had to part ways. In the end, 5 out of 9 participants demonstrated the dedication to continue, as you saw at the beginning of the video. Once the foundation was set, we dived into coding. They started with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, building their first project. Then they upgraded their project to React and TypeScript, learning how to work with existing code and collaborate effectively. They learned how to review pull requests, how to communicate, how to receive and give feedback. One of the most challenging aspects of the bootcamp. Communication and teamwork are rarely taught in schools, but they are critical in real world. We initially restricted AI usage. They had to solve problems by researching, experimenting, and collaborating as a team. Once they understood the fundamental, we introduced AI. AI is a tool at the moment. We train them to ask the right question, critically evaluate AI-generated solution, and use AI to deepen their understanding. They learn to see AI as a knowledgeable mentor to guide and teach them. For example, if AI suggests a new solution that you are unfamiliar with, take it as an opportunity to learn new things. Ask AI why you propose this approach, what the benefits, and how it compares to other solutions. Also, AI is a tool to speed up the process and free up your time for deepened learning. For example, with AI, you can write code, generating test case, automating documentation, and then you have time to deepen an understanding, mastering complex concepts like design patterns, like clean code, software architectures, and so on. The final phase was an internship with VProdev, where they applied their skills in a real-world environment. They faced real challenges, received valuable feedback, and contributed to an actual product that will soon launch. They also learned how to ensure good quality using AI tools. And finally, let's wrap up the video by talking about the conclusion and key takeaways. Learning is a continuous journey, not a destination. Especially at the moment with AI revolution, learning new skills is really important to grow. And also, as we know with AI, it's easier to learn new skills. Planning, reflection, and consistent improvement are keys. Embrace changes. If you feel stuck, take action, seek mentors, and keep evolving. AI is enhancing developers' performance. If you resist change, you will left behind. If you are ready for your transformation, don't wait. Invest in yourself and take the lead. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.